Hi guys, I'm Stephen Edwards. I'm the director and owner of CTA Profit First Accountants. So I just wanted to give you a really quick guide what all of this is about. I'm not going to go into super detail what Profit First is. If you want to learn more about Profit First, a great place to start is the book, or you can go onto our YouTube channel. So if you just type in CTA Profit First Accountants, you'll find lots of videos on what Profit First is. But to give you a summary, it's one of the most powerful financial cash flow and profit improvement systems in the world. If you've ever heard Mike talk, it can be quite life-changing for a lot of people. And the kind of philosophy is that turnover is vanity, profit is sanity, and it's not just about growing your turnover. Obviously, that's very important as a business owner, but not to the expense of profit, not to the expense of understanding where your cash is going and paying yourself first. And unfortunately, a lot of business owners are struggling. So Profit First is a really simple system to kind of get started. Anybody can pretty much get started, but there's lots of different layers to maximizing the benefits of Profit First. So we put the scorecard together just to show you to highlight how well you are doing Profit First in your own business. You might not have actually read the book before, and you might be doing some of Profit First. And that's what's brilliant about it, because we can all relate to the philosophy, because it's kind of putting money into pots and it's paying attention to the cash that's going in and out our bank without having to be a professional accountant or to learn all this kind of financial jargon. So you're going to be asked some questions. Just be honest. Don't worry too much if you're not sure. So yes or no, maybe. And at the end, we're going to give you a score. I'm just going to literally click these questions now and just show you yes, no, yes, no. Just giving you some examples. And then you'll get a score showing you how well you are implementing Profit First in your business. So really, it's going to be broken down into 4 categories. It's going to be broken down into, you can kind of just see at the top there, financial discipline, Profit First awareness. You can't see the financial discipline because the score's so low, unfortunately. Financial benchmarking and using the pot system. So but more importantly, we're going to give you an overall score. Obviously, red is really bad. Orange is not really that good, but not really that bad. Green is you've pretty much nailed that area. If you then want to dive into Profit First in a bit more detail, there's a YouTube video, or you can book a call with myself or someone in the team if you want to go through Profit First or your results. Thanks, guys. Cheers.